you want to learn how to rename a Google document, then this video is for you. So stay tuned. So what you want to do is that you open the document that you want to rename. So I'm currently on a document, my weekly productivity plan, right? It's basically just have a bunch of text and sentences. So come here, you see untitled document, then click on it. So the way Google Doc works is that if you want to rename your file, it would take the first statement or the first text, at the beginning of your document. So that's why it is saying my weekly productivity plan, even when I have not actually typed anything, because it took it from this, my weekly productivity plan. So I can leave it as this, but if I want to rename it, all I have to do is to click on it and hit the backspace. I'll delete it and I can now type my, my productivity plan. And I'll click enter. And that's it. So you successfully rename your Google document. If you find this video helpful, ensure to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you.